Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to pull live API data directly into Power BI. It's simple and you can use it for weather data, stock prices, business data, anything your API provides. Let's get started. First, open Power BI on your computer. On the top ribbon, click the Home tab. Now look for the Get Data button. This is where you pull information from different sources. Click Get Data and from the list choose Web. Power BI will now ask for a URL. This is where you paste your API endpoint, the web link that provides the data you want. Copy the API link from your source and paste it into the box. Then click OK. Power BI will now connect to the web and fetch your data. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the data loads, you'll see a preview of the results. If everything looks good, click Load to bring it into your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully connected Power BI to an API and pulled in live, real-time data. If your API requires authentication or headers, there may be a few extra steps, but for most open APIs, this method works perfectly. If you found this helpful, drop a like and comment what API tutorial you want next. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple Power BI guides. Thanks for watching.